Small business owners, let's be honest, your website looks like it was built during the Obama administration. You know it, I know it, and Google definitely knows it. It loads slower than your accountant returning your call. Your photos look like they were taken on a Motorola Razor. And that contact us button, pretty sure it's forwarding messages to the afterlife. Look, I'm not judging. I've been there. I've had the site where the fonts didn't match. The homepage played auto music, and half the links led to nowhere. But if your business feels professional and your website doesn't, that's a mismatch that's costing you money every single day. So today, we're going to fix it fast, cheap, and without calling your cousin who took one website design class in high school. Welcome back to $0 Marketing, the show for business owners who are tired of pretending their outdated website is fine for now. I'm Chris Beecham, small business coach, professional DIYer, and the guy who's rebuilt more websites at 2 a.m. than anyone should admit in public. Most business owners treat their website like a brochure. Build it once, check the box, and hope nobody looks too close. But your website isn't a brochure. It's a 24/7 salesperson, your credibility test, and the silent judge that decides whether people call you or keep scrolling. And the good news? You don't need 10 grand or a marketing degree. You just need to learn how to build trust in 10 seconds or less. The harsh truth is this: you've got 3 seconds to convince a stranger that you're not a hobbyist. 3 seconds. That's less time than it takes a toddler to spill a drink. When people land on your site, they instantly think one of two things. These people look legit. I should reach out. Or yikes, this looks sketchy. Back to Google. That's it. There's no third option called maybe later. Your website doesn't have to win awards. It just has to pass one test. Would I give these people my money? And here's why most websites fail that test. They're written for you, not for your customer. You made it a shrine to your business instead of a solution for theirs. In my coaching sessions, we make clients rewrite their homepage headline. Instead of "Welcome to Smith Plumbing," it becomes "Your leak stops here." Same company, entirely different energy. If your headline doesn't answer a problem, your visitor's already gone. Probably to the competitor whose website doesn't look like it was coded during Y2K. Forget the marketing blogs and guru checklist. If you're a small business, here's the bare minimum structure that works. Clear headline: what do you do? And who is it for? If someone can't figure out in 5 seconds, congratulations, you just donated a sale to someone else. Use this formula. We help who do what so they can what. Example, we print custom merch that actually makes people want to wear it. It's clear, it's confident, and it tells me why I should care. You get one button, not a buffet. Get a quote, book a call, start your order. That's it. Don't turn your homepage into an Easter egg hunt. Real photos. If your team photo looks like an FBI lineup, replace it. Take photos of your shop, your work, your people. If your iPhone can film 4K footage of your kid's t-ball game, it's good enough for your homepage. Now we got to move on to reviews or proof. Social proof sells silently. Even 5 reviews beats 0. And please, no testimonial from John Doe with no face. That's not proof. That's a ghost endorsement. These 4 things alone can double trust on your website, okay? The 10-second rule. Want to know if your site actually works? Hand your phone to a stranger for 10 seconds. If they can't tell what you do, who it's for, and what to do next, then it fails. If it takes longer to figure out your website than it takes to microwave popcorn, you've got problems. I make my coaching clients do this live. They hand their laptop to someone who doesn't work for them and just watch. It's brutal. It's humbling. It's also the cheapest conversion test you'll ever run. 5 trust checkpoints. You can fix 80% of bad websites with 5 things. Professional email, right? No more hotrodpainting@gmail. Use your domain. If your email doesn't match your website address, you look like a side hustle. Consistent branding. Same colors, same fonts, same vibe. Brand consistency isn't vanity, it's psychological comfort. Your about page with a face. People buy from people. Add a photo and your real story, not a novel, just enough to prove you exist. And fast load speed. If your homepage loads slower than a government website, fix it. Compress images, dump unnecessary plugins, and get real hosting. Is it mobile friendly? More than half of your traffic is on your phone. If your site looks like a desktop screenshot crammed into your phone, you're done. And if you can't afford a designer, just use Squarespace, Wix, Shopify, or Bolt. They've already solved 90% of the design problem. You just need to make it feel human. Okay, let's talk about the you problem. Most small business websites sound like they were written by a lawyer and approved by a sleep consultant. We started in 1987 with a passion for quality and craftsmanship. Nobody cares. Customers don't want your history. They want their problem solved. Try this instead. You need your order fast, you need it done right, and you need someone who answers the phone? That's us. It's confident, it's conversational, and it tells me you understand what matters. No buzzwords, no synergy. If you wouldn't say it at a bar, don't say it on your homepage. So inside $0 coaching, I help clients write copy that sounds like human, not a committee, because clarity beats creativity every single time. So here's some free fixes you can do today, right? Here's your 5-minute fix checklist. Update your headline with what you actually do. Add one clear call to action button. Swap stock photos for real ones. Add your top 3 reviews. Make sure your contact form actually works. That alone will make your site better than half the small businesses in your zip code. And if your portfolio still says coming soon, it's been coming soon since 2019. Either fill it out or delete it. So when do we spend money, right? Eventually, DIY hits its limits. That's when you start investing, not before. Spend money when you're getting traffic, but no leads. You've nailed your message, but your design looks like Craigslist. You're embarrassed to send someone your link. That's your big sign right there. Until then, focus on looking competent. The goal isn't luxury, it's legitimacy. When clients in my coaching program reach that I'm ready to look like a business, I actually run stage, the difference is night and day. You don't need perfection. You just need to stop hiding behind bad design. Here's your fast fix framework. Want to rebuild your site this week? Here's your roadmap. Day 1, write your headline and 1 CTA. Day 2, take real photos. You, your team, your work. Day 3, collect 5 reviews and post them. Day 4, rewrite your about section like you're talking to a friend. Day 5, test everything on your phone and hit publish. 5 days, $0, major upgrade. If you're still overwhelmed, grab a free mini audit. I'll personally walk you through your website and show you what to fix for free. No funnel, no fluff, no pitch, just help. And if your site still plays background music, I'm staging an intervention. People, your business doesn't have to be fancy. It just has to function. Clean, clear, confident. It should say one thing: I'm in business. I'm reliable. I'll still be here tomorrow. Fix the basics. Stop apologizing for your website and let it sell for you, even when you're asleep. I'm Chris Beecham. This is $0 Marketing. And if you're ready to build a business that finally looks as good as it performs, check out $0coaching.net, because professional doesn't have to mean expensive. It just has to mean intentional.